Hey, this video is designed to show you how you can record your screen on a MacBook or an iMac or any other Apple product. I am currently using Camtasia 3 to record my screen, and if you have access to that, that's by far better, but it also costs $300 unless you're a Google Certified Educator, so I don't figure most people would want to do that. So I'm going to show you the free way that comes pre-installed on all Apple devices. All you have to do is open up and search for QuickTime Player. So I just look for that. If you don't have that, you can look in your launch thing. I honestly don't even know where it is in here. So I just always do Spotlight, QuickTime Player. Now when it loads up, all it'll do is open up a little folder here, and you hit Done, and it doesn't look like anything happened. But if you'll notice up here in the top right, it's still running. In order to do this, you just hit File and hit a new screen recording. You get a little pop-up like this. One thing to note is that if you don't see these lines right here, that means that the audio is not recording. So you have to click the drop down and choose your microphone. Now I'm just using the built-in microphone because I did not want to go all the way back out to the car to get the microphone that I brought home for this express purpose, but it's cold and I'm apparently very, very lazy. So I'm using the internal microphone, but it works perfectly fine. If you plug up another one, it'll show up in this menu. By default, it'll pick none, and you'll notice when I choose none, it's not recording sound right now, but I want it to record sound. So now it's recording sound. Don't turn this slider up because that will pipe your sound back out through your speakers and it'll start to feedback, and it's really annoying. Next step is just to hit the red button and you get instructions. Click to record the full screen, or you can drag to record part of the screen in recording by clicking the stop button in the menu bar. Now up here in the menu bar, you'll notice there's a little stop button in a circle. It's grayed out right now. Once the recording starts, it will turn white. I highly, highly recommend you don't try and just drag part of your screen. Please instead just click once to record the whole screen, because that way you get good aspect ratio. Because if you just record part of the screen like this, it's going to look really crappy when you try to upload it to YouTube. So I don't want to do that. I'm going to hit escape and go back and instead record the entire screen. Now I clicked once to record the screen. Watch up here, this will turn white in just a second. Now it's recording. And I'm recording and I'm talking, yada yada yada. This is an awesome screencast that I'm doing wonderful things in. Once I'm done, I just click that stop button again and it will pull up the screencast. Now let me play it. So you can see it's moving. It doesn't look all that special because it's just my desktop, but it's playing. It's a video. I mean, you'll notice. See, it's an actual video. And once it's you can preview it. See if you want to save it. If you do, you hit File, Save. You can just save it to your desktop. Call it Screencast, whatever, and it's saved to the desktop, and you're done. That's all you have to do. Recording your screen is quite a bit easier on the Mac than it is on the PC because it comes pre-installed. Anyway, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.